Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a special video for our nearing festival Onam. So I thought to share with my viewers about my simple makeup routine for giving you the look for the Onam festival, how I am getting ready for this festival. You people know generally about the Kerala look in white saree. So I will show you my look after doing the simple makeup and my Kerala outfit also. So I'm not that much heavy makeup I am going to do for today. Just simple, because I'm not fond of doing like a heavy makeup at any time. So just a simple makeup routine I am going to show for you. So before going into the video, many people are watching my video, but 88% of you people are watching my video but not subscribing my channel. So if you need to get notifications of all my videos in my channel, please do subscribe my channel, guys. So let us look at the today's video for the simple routine, makeup routine for Onam festival. So starting with this makeup look, as of now there is zero makeup in my face. It is so fresh. Just I have washed it with the face wash. Then the first step, starting with this makeup, just I'm going to apply some moisturizer in my face, so that the skin will be moisturized to some extent. So for that I'm going to apply Mamaearth oil free face moisturizer. So just I am taking little bit of moisturizer. So the moisturization step is over. Next, after applying the moisturizer, then I'm going to apply some primer. Because I'm going to apply some foundation also. So just to fit my makeup and to make the pores to open, so just apply some primer. So just I'm taking MAC primer. For this Kerala look, the main highlight is your eye makeup. It should be more pop-up out. The eye makeup should be the more important thing in this Kerala look. So after applying the primer, I am going to apply this MAC foundation. Just some foundation I am taking. So I have taken some foundation. I feel comfortable with my hands at the first stage. Just apply all over the face. The next step, just blend it with the sponge. So this foundation fits my skin tone very well. I like this foundation very much. So just I'm just tapping this sponge, and it is fixed in my skin very well. Okay, next, after applying the foundation, then let me apply some compact powder, MAC Studio Fix compact powder. So I am taking this color, as it is matching my blouse actually. So just take it. just this side also I'm applying it. I'm taking this shimmer shade, then applying it here. So my eyeshadow is completed. Next I am going to apply eyeliner. This side the eyeliner is completed. Yes, the eye shade and the eyeliner is over. So next step, the kajal. So daily I use this Lakme kajal. This side it is completed. I will complete in the other side also. So the eyeshadow, eyeliner and the kajal is over. So now you could able to see when comparing to the previous face, just the eye makeup is popping out. Now only pending thing is eyebrows. Actually my eyebrows are very thin, so it is somewhat difficult to make up for me. So for the eyebrow I am using Miss Claire Eye Cake. So it is having a spoolie like this, so that you can adjust the eyebrow first. I am taking the mix of this brown and the black. Okay. Now gently apply, just tap in your eyebrow. Yes, this one side the eyebrow is also over. So I will complete for the other side also. So yes, so the basic makeup with primer, some primer, foundation and the eye makeup is over. So now only the pending thing is the lipstick. So after that I am not going to apply any contour then further things. So only thing is lipstick is pending. So this is my favorite shade. I used to have it regularly, Lakme. Next have the bindi. So this is the final makeup look. So I will meet you with the final outfit also. Yes, the final look is over. Just I am wearing some simple jewelry and earring. So this is the white saree Kerala outfit, and I am wearing a maroon color blouse with this. So this is the final look. So thank you everyone. Hope you guys have liked the video. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment for the video, and meet you all guys in another interesting video. Until bye.